All right, Dr. Wang, are you about ready to go?
Sure, yes.
Okay, great. So my name's Kevin Ensrud. I'm from Los Angeles and Orange County area. I'm with Successfully Wired Marketing, and this is an expert series where we learn about just things from experts in different industries. And today we're talking with Dr. Wang from Whittier Square Dentistry, and he's an expert in dentistry. So anyway, so what's the phone number at Whittier Square Dentistry so people can get a hold of you, Dr. Wang?
Well, our office's name is Whittier Square Dentistry, and our phone number is 562-696-2862.
All right, great. How many dentists work at Whittier Square Dentistry?
We have a total of 3 dentists working in this office.
Okay, great. So you can cover most of the patient load. That's great. And you are accepting new patients now, right?
Oh, yes, definitely. Yeah, we are.
Okay, good. And let's see. What service does your clinic offer?
Well, we pretty much offer almost every aspect of general dentistry, including cleaning, fillings, crowns, dentures, root canals, even some of the cosmetic procedures as well.
Okay, great. And where did you grow up, by the way?
I grew up in Northern California.
Okay, and what made you want to get into dentistry?
Well, I have a family member who was a dentist, so I kind of growing up hanging around his office when I was little, and that's kind of got me into it.
All right, great. And what dental school did you go to?
I went to USC Dental School.
Okay. So, well, you know what? Let's talk about a couple of things that people are interested in dentistry. And one thing is bad breath.
Oh, yeah, sure.
So, that's another name for that is halitosis. Nobody likes bad breath on themselves or their friends, and it definitely hurts our social life too. So, what causes bad breath?
Well, bad breath can be caused by many different factors. It could be something as small as a poor oral hygiene, and sometimes it could be even related to some of your digestive disorder.
And what tips do you give for people who have bad breath, maybe to improve their breath and their social standing, of course?
Well, the first thing definitely is to get your gums healthy, because with unhealthy gum, you can get food particle trapped between your teeth much more easily. And when it does happen, bacteria kind of like grows, and then that causes bad breath. So definitely get your gums healthy. That's very important. So to do that, you have to kind of brush your teeth, floss, use some mouthwash. Those are helpful. At the same time, when you're brushing your teeth, you can brush on your tongue as well, because on the surface of our tongue, there are definitely a lot of bacteria can grow over there as well. So those are some of the small tips you can follow.
Okay, great. And my mother, I don't know if this is all wives' tale or not, but my mother told me that skipping meals can definitely affect your breath. Is this true or not?
Well, there is some truth to that, because if you think about it, if you skip meals, you usually tend to get dry mouth because you don't produce a lot of saliva, and when you do have dry mouth, again, bacteria grows, and then it can cause bad breath. So if you do have to skip meals sometimes, my recommendation probably you can chew some sugarless gums, or even drink a lot of water to keep your mouth moist, and those are actually quite helpful to prevent dry mouth and bad breath.
Okay, great. Those are some excellent tips. And what about the difference between using a hard bristle toothbrush or a soft bristle toothbrush? I know some people think using hard bristle toothbrush will, clean your teeth better. So what's your recommendation?
Well, actually, I always recommend to my patients that use soft bristle toothbrush, because by using hard bristle toothbrush, you can actually wear away your enamel, which is the outer covering of our teeth, much quickly. And then when it does happen, our teeth can get sensitive, and sometimes it can even catch cavities more easily that way. So always soft bristle toothbrush.
Okay, great. Another question that's common the people have is what electric toothbrushes, should we use them, or just is a regular toothbrush good enough?
Well, if you brush correctly, regular manual toothbrush is fine, But with the electric toothbrush, it's actually make brushing much easier because it rotates at a much faster cycle than any human hand can achieve. And at the same time, electric toothbrush has a smaller head which can get to the back part of our mouth and then make it brushing much easier. So definitely, I would say it's a good investment to use electric toothbrush.
Okay, great. Now, if you use electric toothbrush, you mentioned how the cycles are much greater. Do you still need to go to see your dentist once every 6 months and maybe not more than a year if you use the electric toothbrush?
Well, yes, you do. I still recommend to see your dentist every 6 months, twice a year, mainly because with the best brushing, flossing, home care technique, there's still certain areas that you can't really get to with those toothbrush at home. So that's why I still recommend to go see your dentist, twice a year, just for a professional teeth cleaning done, and that actually will help out a lot in terms of maintaining your oral hygiene in general.
Okay, are there different types of cleaning that when I come to the dental office that I could get?
Well, we have two different kind of instruments that we use for teeth cleaning. One is the hand scaler, and the other one is the ultrasonic hand scaler. And then both work just fine. They can clean teeth, very well. So it's really a doctor's preference.
All right, Dr. Wang, I truly appreciate you taking time out of your day. I can see you're in your office busy, and we appreciate your valuable time. Now, do you mind coming back sometime if we have some more questions?
Oh, absolutely not. Yeah, anytime. I would love to be back here.
All right. Well, Dr. Wang, I appreciate this, and have a wonderful day.